students, this is 10th part of the chapter Transport in Plants. By far we have learnt about the path of water absorption, about the mechanism of water absorption. Now we will understand what are the factors that affect the rate of absorption. Transport in plants. Now we are undergoing the factors affecting the rate of absorption. Types of factors, two types of factors, external factors and the internal factors. What are the external factors? The amount of soil water. So, the amount of water in soil. If the amount of water in soil is between its field capacity and permanent wilting percentage, the rate of water absorption remains more or less uniform. A decrease in soil water below the permanent wilting percentage causes decrease in the absorption of water. Concentration of solutes in soil water. If the concentration of solute increases in soil water, its osmotic pressure also increases, which slows down, or you can say which will inhibit the absorption of water. It happens due to addition of enough fertilizers in the soil, increasing its salinity. That is why the fertilizers have to be used in an appropriate proportion. This is known as physiological dryness. Soil aeration. Water absorption is done more efficiently in well aerated soil. Any deficiency of oxygen stops the respiration of roots and causes accumulation of carbon dioxide. Thus what will happen? Protoplasm will become viscous and the permeability of plasma membrane will decrease. Soil temperature. The optimum temperature for maximum rate of water absorption. So if you want maximum water absorption, the optimum temperature will be between 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Too high temperature will kill the cell, and at very low temperature what will happen? Absorption will either reduce or stop. Transpiration. If the rate of transpiration is more, so the rate of absorption will be more. So both are directly proportional. A higher rate of transpiration increase is the rate of absorption. Now comes the internal factors. Efficiency of the root system. A plant with deep and elaborate root system can absorb more water than one having a shallow and superficial root system. Why? Because it's very commonly understood that deep roots are always in contact with groundwater at different levels. In your foundation classes you have studied about this thing. Metabolic activity of roots. The metabolic rate and the rate of water absorption are very closely related. The direct evidence in favor of this comes from the fact that poor aeration or use of metabolic inhibitors like KCN inhibits the rate of water absorption. Hey students, so this is all about the factors that affect the rate of absorption. We have gone through the internal factors and few external factors that are affecting the rate of absorption. Hope you have understood them completely. Now we will be moving on to the next part of this chapter. So just switch on to the next video.